In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up abandoned cart email Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, products, orders, customers, and apps. Make sure you are signing into the correct store before you continue, especially if you manage more than one Shopify account. Once you are inside the admin area, take a moment to let the dashboard load completely. You should see the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen, along with your store information and general activity in the center. Now that you are in Shopify, the next thing you need to do is open the app that will handle the abandoned cart email automation. In the left-hand menu, look for the Apps section. Click on Apps, and then find and select Klaviyo. Klaviyo is the email marketing app you will use to create and manage the abandoned cart flow. If your screen shows a list of installed apps, simply click Klaviyo from that list. After selecting it, Shopify will open Klaviyo so you can manage your email automations. Once Klaviyo opens, give it a few seconds to load. You are looking for the area where automated email sequences are managed. In Klaviyo, these automations are called flows. Navigate to the Flows section by clicking Flow or Flows in the Klaviyo menu. This is where you can create email sequences that are triggered by customer behavior, such as leaving items in a cart without completing the purchase. After you are in the Flow area, you will need to create a new automation. Look for the button that says Create Flow and click it. This will take you to the section where you can choose from different automation templates. These templates are helpful because they already include the basic structure for common email campaigns. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can start with a setup that is already designed for a specific purpose. From the available templates, select the Abandoned Cart template. This template is designed to send an email to shoppers who add items to their cart but do not finish checkout. It is one of the most useful automations for an online store because it gives customers a reminder and makes it easier for them to return and complete their purchase. Once you select the Abandoned Cart template, Klaviyo will open the Flow editor so you can review and adjust the automation. Now you can customize the email content, design, and delay timing in the editor. Start by reviewing the email message itself. You can adjust the wording so it matches your brand voice and gives customers a clear reminder about the items they left behind. Keep the message simple, friendly, and focused on helping the customer return to their cart. Next, review the design of the email. Make sure the layout looks clean and easy to read. You can adjust the styling, images, buttons, and other visual elements within the editor. The goal is to make the email look professional and consistent with your store. Pay attention to the call to action button as well because that is what customers will use to go back to their cart. After the content and design look good, check the delay timing for the flow. The delay controls when the abandoned cart email is sent after a customer leaves without purchasing. You can adjust this timing in the editor based on how soon you want the reminder to go out. Take a moment to review the flow carefully so you understand when the email will send and what the customer will receive. When everything is set up the way you want, the final step is to activate the automation. Click Turn on Workflow to make the abandoned cart email flow live. Once the workflow is turned on, Klaviyo can begin sending the abandoned cart email according to the template settings and the timing you selected. And that is all there is to it. You have now set up an abandoned cart email in Shopify using Klaviyo.